Scott, Terry Malone here. Here's this new car that we just got in. The pictures are on the website. There'll be more on the website. I'm just going to do you this short video. I'm going to go around it, show you everything. This is a bad boy here. And here's the Corsa exhaust. I'll show you right here. Now I'm just going to start with the front bumper. There's no places on it whatsoever. And here's the wheels and the Nitto tires. It's a little hard, I'm seeing this in the camera because the car's so shiny. These reflections are off the ceiling and stuff, so.
Jeff, you have a call on line 1. Jeff, line 1.
Trying to get you a picture of that tire, but the windows have tint on them. Here's the back. Now these factory radios have 7 speakers. They've all been taken out and all these higher dollar speakers put in. And then this has got a little package tray most of them don't have. That can be taken out if you don't want it. It's just little cup holders and a couple little trays back there, so you can take that out if you want. Now this Pioneer does everything. Here's your iPod deal here in the glove compartment. Works all the speakers. This is a new Bluetooth that they've added to it because in 08 you have to go to 210s to get a Bluetooth. So it's got Bluetooth and everything. Here's the valve. Now I'm just going to crank this up for you. Now this is what we call a short throw shifter. It's just a little bit shorter down and it's a tighter pattern. I get the seat up where I can reach the pedals. Go back here where you can hear the sound of the exhaust here. it's got all the speed and everything that you want. You don't have to use it, but if you want it, it is there. Go into the hood here and show you. Again, here's the headers. These are Kooks headers. These are about $2,700. And then it's got a filter on it that's aftermarket, that's very expensive. And then it's got the cam. So anyway, I hope this little video did good enough to tell you exactly what it is, but the car is absolutely new everywhere. So I'm going to get Olivia. Chris is off today. Olivia's going to put this on YouTube and then give you a link to go in there to look at it. Thanks.